To create a poll in your Typeform account, start by logging in and navigating to the home screen. From there, click on Forms at the top left, and ensure you're working in the correct workspace. If you have multiple workspaces, select the one where you want to create the poll. Next, click on Create a new form, and choose from the options to start from scratch. Import questions from Google Forms, or create with AI. Using AI can provide a framework for your poll, but you can choose the method that works best for you. Once you've selected your method, you'll be asked a few questions to set up your poll. For example, you might type in a description of what you're trying to accomplish with your poll, such as gathering feedback from customers about their experience at a restaurant. You can specify that you want the poll to include multiple questions in a row, rather than a single question with multiple options. After clicking Continue, you'll be prompted to type in topics you want the poll to cover, such as location, service, and food. You'll also be asked to provide some basic information about your business. Once you've provided this information, the AI will generate a poll for you. The poll can include a variety of question types, such as ratings, multiple choice questions, and open-ended questions. You can customize the poll by adding or removing questions, and by changing the wording or format of existing questions. You can also add additional features to your poll, such as a section to gather email addresses or a drop-down menu with multiple options. To finalize your poll, give it a name and customize the design if desired. You can change the color scheme, add images, or modify the layout to fit your brand. Finally, decide what you want to happen when someone completes your poll. You can create a custom end screen with a message, add social media links, or redirect respondents to a specific URL. Once you're satisfied with your poll, click Publish to make it live. You can then share the link to your poll on social media, via email, or on your website.